So today's video is about dry versus wet brushing, and despite what the gurus tell you, I think wet brushing might just be the solution you've been looking for. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you've ever tried dry brushing and thought, holy this feels like sandpaper, this is torture, you are absolutely not alone. But here's the truth. You don't have to suffer for smooth skin. In fact, brushing in the shower might just be the upgrade your body has been begging for. Yes, you can thank me later. But let's start with dry brushing. Now, dry brushing has become a ritual for so many women, especially over 40. This is a technique that dates back centuries and was first used in Ayurvedic practices and European spas, and for good reason. It can help stimulate circulation and improve blood flow. It supports lymphatic drainage, which is your body's internal detox system, gently exfoliate dull, dry skin, especially helping with cell turnover because that slows down as we age, and we know that. And it can improve the texture of areas prone to crepey, saggy skin, such as our arms, knees, legs, you know. And bonus, it's energizing and gives your skin a visible glow. But there's one not so glamorous truth that isn't talked about enough. If your skin is thinning or sensitive, it can feel, well, more painful than pampering, let's say. It's a powerful treatment, and I've heard from so many of you saying dry brushing just feels too sore, and I get it, especially post-menopause when skin can feel more delicate. Traditional dry brushing can feel like punishment rather than a pamper session. So here's what the wellness industry doesn't always tell you that I'm going to tell you as a 56-year-old woman. Brushing doesn't have to be done on bone-dry skin to be effective. So let's break it down. Dry brushing is more intense and gives you that crisp exfoliation effect. It's great for thicker skin and great for younger skins and for those who can tolerate it. Wet brushing in the shower with water, oil, or a body wash, just like I show you in my videos, is far gentler on older, thinning, sensitive skin. While it might slightly reduce exfoliation intensity, it still stimulates circulation, still helps with lymphatic drainage and flow, and is far more sustainable for many women over the age of 50. If brushing dry makes you avoid it altogether, then stop doing it. It's not doing you any good. Brushing in the shower is not only completely acceptable, it's smart. It's something that you can do consistently and it's effective. It's kinder to your skin and it's going to work. Now, if you're going to try the shower method, I recommend the shower method. Choose a brush with slightly softer bristles and these little silicone pads. They're really lovely on the body. Look for something that is a little gentler and softer. Now, if you have a wooden handle, remember it needs to dry properly. Don't leave it in the shower for it to go all black and moldy and have a bacteria buildup. Make sure you rinse it, you wash it, and leave it in the sun to dry or somewhere where it can dry properly. This one does have a plastic back, but it will be prone to going black on the wooden handle. You obviously can buy those that are silicone completely, but I actually like these. I like the way that they feel in the hand and the weight of them as well. I'll link this one for you in the description box. At the end of the day, the best method is the one that works for you. If you don't like this, then how about these? These are little exfoliating gloves. They're super easy to use. They are much, much more gentle. They will have less of an exfoliating effect, but if you're consistent with them and you use the little smoothing gels that I recommend, you're going to get on with them just fine. So whether you dry brush before the shower or in it, what matters most is how your skin feels and how likely you are to stick with it. You don't have to torture yourself. Consistency, not intensity, wins the long game when it comes to crepey skin, circulation, glowing skin, and self-care. So tell me, have you tried both? Let's compare notes below. Remember, I love to have your feedback. I read every single comment and I try and reply to you all. And if you want my full crepey skin routine, I've linked it in the description box. It's a free PDF. I'll also link all of the tools that I use. You can grab the download, and don't forget, if you haven't done so already, remember to subscribe. If you're a woman over 50, I bring content just like this, just for you, every single week. I've chosen this video for you next. Until the next time, bye for now.